Hey Pioneers, I hope that everybody's doing well. I wanted to take a few minutes today and make sure that we were good to go for day 5 as we're working through the stages of this Do Good from Home challenge. Remember that the big picture requires a 4-step process. So that 4-step process is feel, when you're going to think about how others are experiencing suffering, you're doing some research, you're asking some questions, you're interviewing people, and you really have identified that there's a group of people suffering that need your help. Then for the next stage, you're imagining, you're brainstorming what you can do, and then you're also brainstorming the positive consequences of the actions that you're going to take. And then this stage that we're going to be focusing on today is do. This is when you're going to take action. You're going to create an action plan and you're actually going to do it. So if you're going to write a note of kindness, then today is the day that you're going to start writing. If you are going to do chores around the house to help your parents, then you're going to start doing those chores today. If you're going to send a care package, you're going to begin making a plan to collect those things to go ahead and get that action plan started. And then next week, we're going to be focused specifically on sharing our stories and encouraging others to get involved. So I'm going to scroll all the way down on our pathway to day 5. Okay, so it is time to take action. So a resource that is linked in for you guys to review is when you click here, it takes you to the Do Good From Home website. It talks to you a little bit about the connection between Design for Change and Hasbro. Remember that Hasbro Games is giving back for every act of good that you do, and tag #DoGoodFromHome. So please remember that when we do get to that share stage that you are sharing that. Here are some ideas for how you can give back every day and thinking about how you can give back in little ways. In addition, here's some great things to brainstorm through. So these are some things that other people are doing around the world and around the nation as they are giving back. So when you put your cursor over the top, it's going to tell you what the student is doing and how they are giving back. So if you need some inspiration of what other people are doing, please be sure to explore this resource. Okay, there's also some resources down here. Here is a message from a youth celebrity and continued resources down below as you're looking at the global goals, the 17 global goals, and the impact that they are having on the work that we're doing. So please take time to explore that resource, especially if you are in need of some encouragement and some drive to create your action plan. The work for today is simply going to be your action plan. So when you click here, this is going to take you directly to Google Classroom. Okay, and what you're going to see in Google Classroom is these 2 documents. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to tell me what you're going to do. So from home, I am going to, are you going to create care packages? Are you going to write kind letters? Are you going to create artwork to send to a nursing home? Are you going to do chores? Are you going to create sidewalk art on your sidewalk in your neighborhood? Are you going to call a friend? Are you going to make mask? Any of those things, all of those things, and all of your ideas are perfect. So what you're going to do is going to be written here. And then here is a list of what you're going to need in order to take action. So if you're creating art, I'm going to need paint. I'm going to need paper. I'm going to need those things. If you're creating mask, I'm going to need fabric. I'm going to need elastic. I'm going to need a sewing machine. So any of the things that you're going to need are going to be listed here. Okay, and then the last thing is to act, so actually doing it. Remember that when you begin to take action, that you should be taking pictures, you should be recording so that we can document and share that experience. Okay, and then the second thing is kind of a more detailed action plan. So what to do. So what is the thing that you are going to do? Again, make masks, send a letter, create a care package, whatever. By whom? Is it just you? Is it a small group of people? Is it you and your family? Whatever that looks like. So who is going to be creating this project? Okay, alongside whom? Okay, so who else, again, is a part of that, is a part of your group? By when is your goal date to have this completed? And then with what? Those are those specific resources that you are going to need to complete your project. Again, as you guys are working through this, please, please, please remember to take pictures. This is going to be essential in the work that we do next week. Next week, we are going to be working specifically around that share stage. We'll be working with that all week. So I'm really, really excited to see what ideas you guys are coming up with. Please reach out and let me know what some of those ideas are. I'm enjoying looking and providing feedback, and I'm proud of you guys and really, really excited about all the good that you guys are doing in the world. If you guys need me, you know where to reach me. And so I will talk to you soon. Thank you guys. Proud of you. Bye.